why they are being killed. These children are doing nothing wrong on October 7. But why they are killed every day? Non-stop. Even the 120 countries, they make resolution in United Nations organization on beginning of October to stop this war, but that's nothing happened with this. In October, nothing happened. It's still the ongoing war. Only few countries, they want to continue the war, and they are dictating, they are forcing, imposing the war on Palestine in Gaza. And other countries are just watching, just like a movie, just like a show. And Allah said it is like killing of all mankind. So that's why I say the human beings are going to be end of the world, because human beings are not caring about other humans to be killed. We as a Muslim, we condemn all innocent lives murdered. Either if they're in Palestine, either if they're in America, we condemn this. We are against that. Now those saying here to Allah commanded to Bani Israel that only the two people are deserved to have a death penalty. Either he murdered someone, life for a life, or either he is a mischief maker, he's a terrorist. But those children are nothing doing wrong. Those women are killed every day, they are not doing anything wrong. Those old people are dying in every day in Palestine, they did not do anything wrong. The men and women, children and old people, they do nothing. Not only Muslim children are killed, even non-Muslim. There are Christians who are killed also. And not just Palestinians, there are foreigners who are being killed every day also. But of course the majority are Palestinian. So that is the position in the world today. It is not just we need to cry just for them, but to us, for ourselves to cry. Because we are useless human beings in the world today. We have no power to do anything, any wrong to stop, except we can just talk. We can just talk. That is the only things we have option. The freedom of speech. We can keep on talking, or we can keep on praying to Allah to stop this war, stop this injustice to the children of Palestine, injustice to the women of Palestine, injustice to the civilians of Palestine, innocent human being. As I say that, Allah always do this. If we are not stand against the zulm with injustice, then Allah will inflict upon us the punishment. So if you want that this punishment will not come to us, and you have no power to do anything except talking, so keep on talking. You have cell phone, rather than you do something else in your cell phone, send messages to the whole world that we all world to stand up and to stop the war. So may Allah guide us, may Allah forgive us for this position we are now, that we are seeing that the young children, the women and innocent people are being killed every day, and we are not capable to do anything. So at least we ask Allah to give us power to talk, and we pray to Allah to stop this injustice in Palestine.